Oh, oh, thank you, Lord. Nice hot Sunday, though. Oh, good day, everyone. And to all those who's watching my vlog, thank you very much. As you all know, I'm a newbie in terms of vlogging. Today, we're gonna compare which coffee tastes better: the Espresso Coffee by the use of Nespresso Machine, or conventional coffee of the Philippines, which is Nescafe 3-in-1 coffee. We're gonna see which tastes better. Okay, first we will make espresso using the Nespresso machine. We're gonna put here like a bullet inside the compartment. I'm gonna put the glass in here, or the cup in here rather. I'm gonna just press it down, and voila, it's all set. I'm gonna choose this green blinking stuff. Just wait for about 20 seconds. While we're waiting, gonna turn it on. There you go. As you're waiting, as the espresso is pouring into the cup, we're gonna open this Nescafe 3-in-1, the traditional coffee used by Filipinos here in Philippines. It's a popular brand. Gonna pour into our cup, just little, just like that. It's 3-in-1, so it has creamer already. And our Nespresso coffee is done. I'm gonna compare the taste. Okay. What happened? Oh, I think there's enough water. I'm gonna pour water a little, just enough for 1 cup of coffee. Then let's see. Let's compare. Alright. This espresso is very full of aroma. And our water's done. Hot water. I'm gonna pour here in our Nescafe 3-in-1 coffee. Hot water. And we'll see which coffee tastes better. Right? It's hot. Espresso Coffee. Oh my God. Espresso Coffee will just stir a little bit more. Just like that. And we'll taste it. Mmm, yummy. Pour a little hot butter. Order for the powdered coffee to be dissolved. Just like that. I'm gonna taste it. Delicious. I already put some sugar in this espresso. I can conclude that the espresso coffee is strong, full of aroma, delicious. And the traditional Filipino 3-in-1 Nescafe is also delicious. And somehow they're different because this is a 3-in-1 and this is pure black coffee. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you'll subscribe on my channel. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.